This is how good it smells. She is dying. So today we are going to cheers, guys. It's 6:40. Not making that up. It's PM, not AM. PHODEGA or PHODEGA. It's a bodega, but they have pho. And pho is a traditional Vietnamese dish. You can look it up. I'll put the description down here. We're gonna do an unboxing. An unbagging. So this is just such a cool and unique experience. Personally, for me, I like shrimp chips. I like matcha Kit Kats and Pocket and matcha pretty much anything. If there was matcha lube, probably demonetized right now, I would like it. The first thing is Cheetos, barbecue Cheetos. I believe these are Korean Cheetos. You see in the back, cute Cheetos. I wish I was like that cool. By the way, fashion manicure, gonna get redone tonight. Pandemic. So I've never had a barbecue Cheetos before, but I am excited because I like all Cheetos. Oh my God. They're like honey, but with like a spice, but not much. God, these are really good. So you can see them. Oh. They're kind of like, I don't know, they're honey. It fell underneath my gimbal. Okay, I'm down with these. These are the honey butter chips. They almost look like a Lay's snack. So, oh wow, these are like perfect. They're not even crushed. Wow, shout, like, do you see these? These are all whole chips. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you ever have like a chip that you just love the taste? You're savoring it so much you could just like lick it? It tastes like butter. It tastes like honey butter. Like imagine a honey butter biscuit without the chicken. Oh my God. This is so good. Oh my God. They're just so dangerous. There's like 25 more types of chips and candy at this place. I've got to go, like, immediately back. Oh, there's a spare chip right here. Is Premium Shoe Cleaner by Jason Mark. And before you totally like click exit, I've got to tell you, this will restore anything. I've restored the insides of a Louis Vuitton purse with this cleaner. It is phenomenal. And the great part about it is that it has the price of a starter kit. Like this looks like an MSRP. Don't roast my nails, they're ugly. And this is actually what he sold it for. He could have made this 20 bucks or 15 bucks. So I actually really respect that. I really appreciate people that do this. So shout out to PHODEGA for me. An experience, one hell of an experience. But yeah, so this is something that I would have to go to Nordstrom for and have to hunt down. So I'm pretty happy that I was able to pick it up with my dinner. Speaking of dinner, can you just tell I'm in love with this place? Because seriously, like, this is right up my alley. Surprises. And these are all good surprises. So I got a traditional pho with beef. And so let's see what's going on. So oh my gosh, talk about good packaging. Okay, yeah, so it's got the noodles in here, the scallion, cilantro. Wow. Oh yeah. See all this? And then I put in the broth at the end. Awesome is this. Oh, I totally dipped in my sauce, but. And then we have the broth. And also, like, they didn't even have to, like, oh, how amazing is that? So they put the meat in here, and I'm pretty sure it cooks, like, within the heat. So that's, like, the beauty of this. Oh, it smells so good. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh my God, this looks amazing. Like, I'm dying already. So we're gonna get the noodles. Oh.